Hello friends, if you are new here, my name is Josy. On this channel, I talk about budgeting, cash staffing, savings challenges, and all the little things when it comes to budgeting. We are still doing the 100 MV savings challenge, so if you haven't joined yet, you can still join. We are doing it up to December 25th, and we still have a long way to go. Today's video, I'm going to share with you my bi-weekly paycheck for the first 2 weeks in November. If you haven't set your budget yet, girl, you are not late at all. So go ahead, and I'm reminding you to go set up your budget. I'm going to show you how I set mine up. Today I did everything because I didn't want to really waste time. And for this month, I'm also doing a challenge by tracking all my expenses. So I started doing that here. November expense tracker to see how much I'm spending. I also did my monthly overview. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to put it up here so that you can check it out. I did explain how I set up my monthly overview, which I don't complicate stuff. It's the same way I don't complicate stuff when it comes to my bi-weekly. So today, a very short video. We're going to go through my bi-weekly paycheck for the first 2 weeks in November. So for these first 2 weeks, for my fixed expenses, I'm dealing with income of $3,200 for these 2 weeks that we are budgeting. This income, I've already paid off my tithe. I've kind of done some little savings right there, some little things, and this is the amount that I'm budgeting for this paycheck. Let's see if it's going to be enough. I've already done everything, so I know what I'm dealing with, where each of them is going. But I just want to walk you through so that you can also set up your budget on one sheet like the way I have done it. Like I said, you can do your budget anyhow, but me doing it this way is really motivating me to do it every paycheck, every month, because it's on one sheet. If I take it, I show it to my husband. It's easy. If I'm looking at it from one sheet. I don't want to complicate stuff. I want to be as simple as I can, because it's very stressful if you don't set up your budget. It's very stressful if you don't take care of your finances. It's just stressful. Which stressful do you want to choose? Do you want to be stressful, or you want to go ahead and do what you can as best that you can? I'll go ahead and do as best that I can. I don't want to be stressful when it comes to my budget. So this paycheck was from November 1st to November 14th to my next pay. And under my fixed expenses, like I said, I've been telling everybody, I'm already 2 weeks ahead when it comes to my expenses. So this one is going towards the expenses getting to the latter part of November. If you're a beginner, you can't do it the way you want it. Every paycheck according to whichever is coming up. Me, I've already passed that. So this one's are towards the end of November. I've already paid for this week, for these 2 weeks already. So I have my mortgage, which is $1,200. I'm putting $100 each week towards my debt. For the 2 weeks, it's $200. I have my phone bill, $50. Ally Bank at $50. That's my high heel. I send money home for my sister Healthkeep. That's $50. My car insurance is getting $13. My miscellaneous is getting $15. I just introduced miscellaneous because I'm kind of getting hit by some little stuff, and I already have money in my bills, and I'm really protecting my buffer. So I'm putting miscellaneous just in case that happened. I also have internet and subscriptions. It's $20 each. This one, I'm trying to keep it in my wallet. I don't want to roll over nothing. I just want to keep in that wallet because we paint it in a different way, and I'm saving towards little things by it. So for my leftover, I have $3,200. The bills expenses for this paycheck was $1,953. If I subtract, I have $1,242. Then here come my variable expenses, which is my daily. This is the wallet I take with me all the time. And that one, if you've been following me, you know this. You know how much everybody get. My personal and blessing is getting 20 each. My grocery get $300, $150 every week. My guys get $50. Sam's Club get $200, $100 every week. Flash and Lucky are our pet. They are turtle. They get $20. My date night eating out is getting $10. We kind of slowing down when it comes of eating out and date night. So I just put a little amount. We kind of spend it randomly. If their kids, we need to take them to treat them or something. So mostly I spend this $10. The date night one, if we don't spend, we normally spend it on the kids. My local score is getting $100. My hair is getting $10. My sister is doing my hair for me right now, so I'm just saving little. My nails is getting $20. Miscellaneous is getting $20. My nails, my goal is to let it grow and let it grow out. Hopefully I can keep it for letting it grow out. It's kind of not looking cute, but I'm trying to keep it, like, let it grow. So I don't think I'll go to salon probably end of this month, hopefully. So the daily expenses was $780, and when I take it out from the leftover from here, $1,242, we get $462. $462 every paycheck. I put $250, which goes to my savings challenges. When I take it out from 462, we have 212. My sinking funds are very long. If you are new here, welcome to my sinking fund world. I love it so much. So for my sinking fund, I have a lot of stuff. Almost all of them get like $10 each. My family goal is getting $35. That's the highest. Family savings is $20. For the $20, each of us get $2 every paycheck, and there are 10 of us, so we get $20 for family saves. All this sinking fund, I'm gonna do my sinking fund 𝒂𝒂𝒓𝒅𝒔, so you guys soon know. But these are all my sinking. They are how many? Let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 sinking fund. Yes, it's a lot. It's a lot, but don't compare yourself to me. I have a big family, and I feel comfortable doing it this way. If you just need only 4 sinking fund, go for it. So the total for my sinking fund is $185. When I take it from 212, I have 27 left. This 27 is going into my buffer. The buffer account is growing very well, and I'm loving it. So I'm keeping it. I don't want to spend it at all. So my zero-based budget is $3,200 minus my fixed expenses, minus my daily expenses, minus my savings challenges, minus my sinking fund, minus my buffer. I get 0. So this is my zero-based budget for my bi-weekly. So this is how I set it up. I have 4 categories when I get paid: fixed expenses, variable expenses, savings challenges, and my sinking fund. For now, those are the 4 expenses. I might separate investment when I finish paying my student loan, because my target is to pay off my student loan, and I will start aggressively doing investment. I'm still doing investment little by little, just like the way I'm doing my savings challenge. But for now, that will be another thing for me, but not in the budget right now. I have only 4 things. Like I said, I don't complicate stuff. Variable expenses, fixed expenses, savings challenges, and sinking fund. And every time I get paid, I set my budget almost the same as this. But I'm showing you today to remind you it's still not too late to set your budget up. Thanks for watching me today. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.